It's one of the biggest projects in Europe. We have to dovetail in with others. It's just getting that sequencing right. The next 4 to 6 weeks will be really, really intense. The Windows and Control Room A are a joint venture between ourselves and ASWS. So the process was that they took the casements out and the frame stayed in situ. It's our job to repair that frame and paint it. We're also repairing all the Portland stone to the external face, and we're doing the rooftops, enclosing those up. The sashes were taken away, prepped, brought back and then installed by hand, and now what they're doing is they're glazing them, they're double glazing them by hand. So it's not a double glazed unit, it's 2 pieces of glass. There's a laminate piece that goes in first, then there's a little internal bead that goes in, and then there's the inner piece. Once that's in, they get painted gold on the inside to match the ley lights, a bluey grey on the outside to match the facade. We then go in and plasterboard the internal bulkhead of the bay window, and we have a nice 6 bay windows that look the part.